Syrian hamster. This is the most common type of pet hamster and is also known as the golden hamster. It originally comes from Syria and prefers living alone. Syrian hamsters are friendly and easy to handle, which makes them perfect for beginners. Dwarf hamster. Dwarf hamsters are smaller than Syrian hamsters and come from regions like Russia and China. They can sometimes live in pairs or small groups. These hamsters are very active and fast, making them fun to watch but a bit harder to handle. Roborovsky hamster. This is the smallest type of hamster and is known for its speed and energy. It comes from desert regions of Asia. Roborovsky hamsters are not very cuddly, but are great for observing because of their playful behavior. Chinese hamster. Chinese hamsters have a slightly longer body compared to other hamsters. They come from China and Mongolia. These hamsters are gentle and quiet, but they may be shy at first and need time to trust their owner. Baby hamster. Baby hamsters are very small and delicate when they are born. They depend completely on their mother for food and warmth. As they grow, they become more active and start exploring their surroundings. Adult hamster. Adult hamsters are fully grown and more independent. They develop their own habits and personality. At this stage, they are easier to handle and care for compared to baby hamsters. Nocturnal hamster. Most hamsters are active at night and sleep during the day. This behavior comes from their natural survival instincts in the wild. It is important for owners to understand this, so they do not disturb their sleep. Pet hamster, cage life. Hamsters live in cages when kept as pets and need enough space to move around. They enjoy running wheels, tunnels, and hiding spots. A good cage setup helps keep them healthy and happy. Hamster diet. Hamsters eat a mix of seeds, grains, fruits, and vegetables. In the wild, they gather and store food in their cheeks. A balanced diet is important to keep them active and strong. Hamster behavior. Hamsters are known for their curious and playful nature. They love to explore, dig, and collect food. Understanding their behavior helps owners take better care of them and build a bond over time.